SCASID members. Welcome back to your membership news briefing. I'm Bernie Mazzie. These are the stories that caught our eye, so let's dive in. First up, on July 11th, the 21st Century Road to Housing legislation became law. This bipartisan bill, led by South Carolina's senior Senator Tim Scott and Massachusetts Senator Elizabeth Warren, is the most impactful affordable housing legislation in decades. This new law authorizes new money for housing construction, removes barriers for new construction, and authorizes federal funding for housing rehab projects that will address the affordable housing shortage in America and especially here in South Carolina. We've confirmed a staff member from the U.S. Senate Banking Committee to come to South Carolina and unpack the law during our housing caucus, which will take place during Opportunity SC 2026 in Florence, which takes place October 28th through the 30th. Make sure you are registered for the conference. Next up, during the week of August 10th, the South Carolina General Assembly approved a $15.7 billion state budget for fiscal year 26-27, over a month into the new fiscal year. For SCASID members who partner with state government to advance your work, you should reach out to your state agency and to confirm your relationship with them for this year. And finally, join us for the Upstate Affordable Housing Summit, where SCASID will host an affordable housing practitioner workshop August 27th, beginning at 12 noon at the Prisma Welcome Center at Unity Park in Greenville, South Carolina. We've brought together national experts in affordable housing finance to share tools and strategies to make affordable housing development possible here in South Carolina. You don't want to miss this informative training. A quick reminder, early bird registration for Opportunity SC 2026 ends August 30th. Make sure you secure your spot today. For more information on these stories, you can click on the links below. Thanks for viewing this edition of your membership news briefing. Until next time, enjoy your day.